What's up, babes? Welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about contacts, and I'm going to be putting you guys on to these beautiful contacts that I got from Myeyebb. So thank you so much to Myeyebb for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. And if you know, I am a sucker for some cute packaging, and they did not disappoint, honey. Myeyebb is a brand that stands for I Want to Be Better, which I absolutely love. You guys already know how I feel about positive vibes and uplifting vibes. Every order comes with contact lens cases as well as the tools that you would need to put them in if you are a beginner. Y'all already know I am no stranger when it comes to wearing contact lenses. I need my contacts to see, honey. I love that Myeyebb offers prescription contact lenses as well as non-prescription. Prescription options can range from 0 to 8. So whether you're looking for a more natural, subtle change or even a dramatic, shocking transformation, they got you, girl. The variety of lenses that they offer can alter your look in a matter of seconds, girl. And when it comes to quality and safety, these contact lenses are completely safe. They're long-lasting, comfortable, and also super affordable, which y'all know is my favorite. These lenses are made from the highest quality materials and carefully packaged for maximum shelf life, which is actually up to 12 months. Myeyebb is a brand that stands for service and product first, which is super important to me, y'all. And they also offer a 30-day guarantee, which aligns perfectly with their purpose. Girl, these are gorgeous. I will be sure to have everything linked down in my description bar below. Right now, if you use my code Classy, you can buy 2 lenses and get 3 for free. Now that, honey, is a deal. For all other orders, use my code Classy20 for 20% off a deal. And I guess it's safe to say that we saved the best for last, honey, because these are my absolute favorite. These are literally a natural look that I love. These are giving my eyes but better. Now, I did not pick out any of these lenses. They literally picked out all of these for me, and I really did enjoy all of these. I love that there was variety and there was a little bit of everything. The direct link to shop will be listed down in my description bar below. See y'all next time.